Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam, Instagram fam, where you're watching this video from? Andre Money back at it again with another video here, and today I'll be going over two main pairs that I'm actually taking a look to trade on. As you can see, we already got in for a sale alongside with all my Pitch Club members here on GPCAT. Currently running an instant profits. We have no drawn at the moment. We're up around 4 to 5 pips, and then we do have a buy limit for Euro GBP. So now before I go ahead and get started, make sure to smash that like button down below. And if you want to be part of my trading VIP sessions where I go live every day on London session, click the link in my description and join Pitch Private Club to be part of my live trading sessions and trade live alongside me and catch a bag as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started today. So on GPCAT, I'm going to be looking for a sell because we come into a daily time frame here. Here on a daily time frame, we can see very, very clearly how we have a lot of momentum still pushing to a downside. Now, over here on the daily time frame, we do have this empty gap that we have to come in and fill in before we see a new correction to the upside. So right now, market's going to be super, super bearish because we have currently now called this old low. Once we call this old low, well, every time they call it a low or high prior, what does the market do? They make small retracements, small corrections, which we did over here in this area. We came, called this old low, and market made a correction to the upside of around 150 pips to 180 pips to the upside to now start coming down, as you can see right here. Also, that retracement came in, filled in the imbalance area that we had here on GCAD on the daily time frame. Market got rejected right here, right on this wick that you guys can see right in this area. I'm gonna go ahead and point it out, which is that wick right there, which in a smaller time frame, you'll see that that area got rejected because we tested from an accumulation price candle such as the forward time frame. So GCAD still has a lot of potential to push down to come and fill in the empty imbalance that we have left behind over here before we see any other correction to the upside. So that's one of the reasons why I'm going to be looking into getting for sales. Now, I have another confirmation here on the forward time frame that we saw very, very clearly how market got rejected right here from the accumulation price candle, which was from its last bearish bullish candle before the push to the downside. As you can see, market came right into it and started pushing down, which that gave me confirmation for GPCAD to start looking in for selling positions. Also, now coming to the 1 hour time frame, this is where we have our main entry around this 1 hour accumulation price candle, where you guys could see the market has already got rejected and has started making its reaction to the downside. And currently we are up 7 pips right there. We're risking 36 to get a total amount of 144 pips. Our first take profit, we do have it right here, just in case we come into this equal lows, which that is around 72 pips around there to call this equal low, 72 all the way to 80 pips at the most for the first take profit. With the last take profit, we do have it to cloud the daily low, which would be this low right here. And then Euro GBP, I'm also going to be now looking to get in for buying positions. Kind of the same confirmation is going on here for Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, if we take a look at the daily time frame, we can see how market had a broken structure now to the upside, which created the breaker right in this area where we broke above the highs right here. So that gave me confirmation the market is going to continue pushing higher to come and fill in this empty imbalance that we have in the past and testing it to this accumulation price candle to then start seeing some sort of rejection to the downside. And after that, we would want to see buy-sell liquidity be cleared out in this area and fill in this imbalance over here, which is our last take profit that we have for Euro GBP. So here on Euro GBP, our bias is going to be to the upside to coming from the imbalance areas and test our accumulation price candles. Coming to lower time frames like the forward time frame is where we're starting looking for buying positions. So here on the forward time frame, we could see how market came in and came in to create this imbalance area, which was this push to the upside. So I'm waiting for market to come and fill in that imbalance area before we see any major push up. Now you might be asking why you're not going to put your entry in the opening of our forward chart price candle, because you could always find better entries. Like on the 1 hour time frame, my buy limit is based on my 1 hour accumulation price candle, which was the main last push that we had before the push to the upside. So now I'm just waiting for Euro GBP to come to the downside, come into a commission price candle, and get activated for the buys. We are risking 22 pips to get an overall of 150. My first take profit, I do have it to cloud this liquidity from this high right here, which is at around 60 pips to 62 pips, around 64 pips. Second take profit, we do have it on the daily commission price candle, which is at 106. Last take profit, we have it on our daily buy side liquidity, which is at 152, which is where I'm gonna be looking to get in for take profit from my last take profit. So with that being said, these are the only two pairs I'm going to be looking to trade for tonight's lending session. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please smash that like button down below. And if you want to be catching the bag with me every single day trading in London, click the links down the description below in the link, so you could be joining my live training sessions with all my PIT Park Club students. With that being said, if you have a great night and happy trading to all of you.